For this tutorial, I want to show you how to set up the trimming operation using the drawn curve and the guide wall created in my previous tutorials. Open the Manufacture tab to load the cam section. Create a new setup and allow the operation to load. It might take some time. Once the setup toolbar is loaded, you will need to change some options. In the Select Model section, select your guide wall. Make sure that your origin is set to the model origin. Then select Stock and change Mode to From Solid. Then select the guide wall again, then select OK. This will close the setup. Rename the setup. I've named mine Trimming Toolpath. In Manage, open Tool Library and select your tool. In this section you can build a preset tool with customized dimensions. Our tool length will be different, so please do not copy these settings. Measure your tool accurately and input the information that you've recorded. Select the multi-axis contour to enter the setup. Then select the tool you'll be using for this operation, referring back to the tool that you made previously. Make sure that the feeds and speeds are correct. The speeds we use may be different depending on the tool you use. Open Geometry and select your curve, and change the model to the guide wall. Select OK and exit the setup. Select a new operation and inspect the toolpath. We need to adjust the tool angle, so right-click and edit the operation. Select Passes and change the following settings. Adjust the sideways tilt to -36 degrees, then select Enter. This will restrict the tool to this angle. This toolpath looks much better, nice and smooth, and the tool enters and exits at the rear of the teeth. Just some things to watch out for. Avoid the tool starting anywhere other than the rear molars. This can be a problem when the machine is rotating whilst trimming. It can lead to over-rotation and just cause problems, so just make sure that it enters at the rear molar. Also, if the tool is changing its angle in a very sharp motion, go back to tweaking and smoothing your curve. You might need to delete the guide wall and start again with that. Following all that, if you're happy with this, post-process the operation and you're ready to trim your first aligner. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions, just give me a shout.